Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create Instagram post in bulk. So you don't have to create every day a single post. What you can do is you can create these posts in bulk, and every day you can plan to schedule these posts for your Instagram. And one of the benefit of doing this is especially if you are creating a theme page, an Instagram theme page. Now, what is a theme page? Theme page is basically when you are sharing information related to a particular theme. The theme can be related, can be food, it can be travel, business related, entrepreneurship, motivation, self-care. So there are different niches around which you can create theme pages, and these are very profitable, especially if you have a large following on Instagram and you have these theme pages created and you share a similar type of content on a daily or on a regular basis. Now let's understand what are the different types of theme pages that you can create on Instagram. So I'll go over to my favorite tool, ChatGPT, and we are going to ask ChatGPT what are the different types of theme pages you can create on Instagram. So I'm going to ask, what are the different types or niches of theme pages we can create on Instagram? So this is my first question I'm going to ask, is what are the different types of niches? And there can be multiple different varieties: fashion and style, travel, food, home decor, motivational, personal development, things like that. So there are a lot of different types of niches that are there. So I'm going to go ahead and keep scrolling down: photography, fitness related. So you have different types of niches, and I personally like self-improvement and motivation. So the next thing that I'm going to ask is, give me Instagram post, right? So I need some kind of data to post on my Instagram. So the data should be related to motivation. So what I'm going to say is, write me 10 or 15 motivational quotes, and I'm going to create a table format, and that is the table format I'm going to use for my Instagram post as a data uploader kind of thing. Okay, you can upload bulk of data and automatically your Instagram post will use that information and create multiple posts. How do we do that? Let's see. So the first important thing is I have selected motivation and self-improvement as my theme page. Okay, so we are going to say, give me 15 different motivational quotes in table format. So what it's going to do is going to create a table, and it's going to list down 15 motivational quotes. The only way to do great work is to love what you do, Steve Jobs, things like that, right? So these are the different quotes that I can use. So what I'll do is I'll go over to my Excel sheet here. So I'm going to go over to the Excel sheet, and over here I'm going to go ahead and copy this number of quotes and all of that. So first thing is, let's just copy these two things and paste it here. I'm going to move quote on the right hand side, and let's expand these. Okay, and then I'm going to copy this remaining table here, and it has total of about 15 quotes, and this is what I'm going to paste it over here. So my table is all ready. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. My table is all ready, and now I'm going to save this file, save as, and I will save it wherever you want. If you want to save it on your downloads, I'm going to go ahead and browse this, and under my downloads I'm going to save it and call it as motivational quotes. So this is my Excel sheet that I've created using ChatGPT, right? So we only took 1 minute to get this. And similarly, you can get ideas related to food, recipes, entrepreneurship, whatever it is. Okay, so you just ask ChatGPT to create some ideas for Instagram post for related to travel. So this is what I have. Now the first important thing is I'm going to go over to Canva and create a design here, and I look for Instagram post. So I'll go and look for Instagram post here, and I'll create one reference point. Okay, so this is a theme page, so it should follow a particular theme. So I'll create first Instagram post, and it is related to motivation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, let's say we look for motivation pictures. Okay, so let's say we say motivation, and let's see what we have, and we'll go over to photos, and these are the different types of pictures that you can use. Okay, so this is the different you have. Let's say I personally liked something like this. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and expand this picture. Before I do that, let's add a grid here. So I'm going to go to the add a grid, and this grid I'm going to move the picture, and this picture became as a backdrop of this canvas. So now I'm going to create an element, and I'll drop this element over here, and let's say we use this as a place we're going to enter the text. Okay, so we'll go ahead and use text here. It's simple, it is in black color. I'm going to change it to white color here, and you have your title ready, and I'm going to change the font to my favorite Anton here. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, and this is my title. Okay, so here I'm going to create my motivational quote. Okay, so this is where I'm going to write motivational quote. This is just a reference I'm giving, and this is the color I'm going to, let's say, change it to yellow, and this one I'm going to make it to black, and you can use whatever you want, but this is my first picture that I've created, and here I have a motivational quote. Now under the apps there is a thing called bulk upload, so I'm going to look for bulk here, and this is what I have, bulk. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. This is an app that is available within Canva, which can help you create bulk Instagram posts, Facebook posts, etc. So the same approach you can follow to create a Facebook post also. So let's go ahead and hit the post here, and it is asking you enter data manually or upload the data. So if you do enter data manually, you can enter your data over here, basically copy all your quotes here, and the best way is we will upload our data. So I'm going to go ahead and click on upload, go over to my downloads, and refer my motivational quotes, and it is telling me which sheet. If you see here, name of the sheet is sheet 1. It has total of about 15 rows or 16 rows, and you can see here it is from A1 to B16, which is correct. It starts from A1 and it ends here, which is B16. So this is what I have, and looks good. Hit continue, and there are two fields here, right? One is the numbering field and the other one is the quotes field. So what I'll do is I'm going to say motivational quote. I'm going to highlight it, right click on it, and where it says connect data, I'm going to click on connect data. Now out of these two fields, with what you need to write onto this motivational quote, I'm going to say the quote column. Okay, so this is how you're going to connect. The quote column is nothing but motivational quote. So I'm going to go ahead and use this, and what I'm going to do, hit continue, and they are generating 15 designs. You can see here, I'm going to go ahead and click on this generate 15 design, and behind the scene it's going to create posts for me, and you can see here these are the different motivational quotes. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. This is said by Steve Jobs. So you have created 15 Instagram posts within 5 minutes. Very simple. You go over to ChatGPT, get an idea on what you want to post, and you save that information in a form of a table, and then you come over here and you look for the app called as bulk upload, which is, this is the app, and you use this app to upload your data. So I have created 15 different types of posts within 5 minutes. So this is how you can create multiple posts using Canva bulk tool that is available. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.